Good morning, all. Today I am going to deal with the topic chemical reactions and equations. First of all, chemical reactions means the reactions which takes place in our daily life. It may be our things we use and food we eat, the milk we drink, and the fruits we eat, and even the fermentation which makes our pickle tasty. The reaction which takes place in all the things are called as chemical reaction. Even though the reaction which takes place in the vessels we use is also called a chemical reaction. Now, let us understand the exact definition of a chemical reaction. It is a process in which one or more substance, those are called reactants are converted to one or more substances which are called as products. This is the definition of chemical reaction. In this, the reactants may be either chemical elements or compounds. A chemical reaction is one which rearranges the atoms present in the reactant to create a different substance which we are going to get in the form of product. Now I am going to show you some of the examples of chemical reactions, which may be the burning of food which we make daily in our house, and bakeries which bake the cake, and the biological reaction, that is digestion of food what we eat, and the normal rusting of iron and fermentation of pickles. This is all about the chemical reactions. Now let us understand what do you mean by chemical equations. Yes, chemical equation means generally it is the symbolic representation of the chemical reaction, that it may be written in the form of a long sentences. By using the long sentences, we write it in a short form which it is called as chemical equation. It may exactly means the simple description of a chemical reaction which is in the form of sentences. Always in a chemical equations, the reactants are written on the left hand side and the products what we get are going to be written on the right hand side. Now let us see the exact definition of a chemical equation. It is nothing but the symbolic representation of a chemical reaction in the form of symbols and formula. The symbols may be either which we have got from the periodic table, and the formulas of the compounds which we have for a which we have specifically for the chemicals. Okay, now let us see the symbolic representation of a chemical reaction, that is chemical equation, in which it shows that A plus B gives C, where A and B are the reactants which are written on the left hand side and C is the product which is written on the right hand side. Now let us see the examples for chemical equation. When 2 moles of hydrogen reacts with 1 mole of oxygen to form 2 moles of water. This is the sentence form of the chemical equation. It is called a chemical reaction which is going to happen. In order to represent this chemical reaction in a simple form, we write it as 2H2 plus O2 which gives 2 moles of water. This is about the chemical equation.